In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Ads campaign from scratch. First, head to ads.google.com and sign up or log in with your Google account. If it's your first time, make sure your account time zone and currency are correct because you can't change them later. You can add billing details now or after you publish your first campaign. From the Google Ads homepage, click the plus button for New Campaign and choose a goal that matches what you want: sales, leads, or website traffic. Your goal helps Google tailor recommendations, but it won't lock you in, so pick the one that best reflects your main outcome. Next, choose your campaign type. Search shows text ads on Google results, great for capturing intent. Display places image ads across websites and apps, useful for awareness and retargeting. Shopping showcases product listings if you run an online store connected to a product feed. If you're new, search is often the simplest place to start. Now set up your audience and location in campaign settings. Under locations, choose where you want your ads to appear and use the advanced option to target people in or regularly in your locations. You can include or exclude regions to refine reach. Check languages to match your audience. Under devices, leave defaults at first unless you know you need to emphasize mobile or desktop. In demographics, narrow by age, gender, or household income as appropriate for your offer. Keep it broad if you don't have data yet, you can tighten later. Add your keywords using campaign, then keyword and asset generation. Start with terms your customers would actually type, including brand, product, and problem-based phrases. Use the built-in suggestions and volume estimates to guide you. Group similar keywords together so your ads stay relevant, and consider adding obvious negatives to avoid irrelevant clicks. Set your budget and bids under campaign, then budget and bidding. Choose a daily budget you're comfortable testing with. For bidding, you can begin with an automated strategy like maximize clicks to gather data, or if you already have conversion tracking, try maximize conversions. Set bid limits if you want tighter cost control. When everything looks good, launch your campaign. In the campaign overview, monitor key performance metrics like impressions, clicks, click-through rate, average cost, and conversions. Expect a short learning period. Check search terms to add negatives, pause underperforming keywords, refine locations and devices, and adjust bids or budget based on early results. Small, consistent tweaks over a few days will steadily improve performance. That's it. Your Google Ads campaign is live and ready to optimize.